inefficiencies in chemical manufacturing business can slow the business journey or sometimes may result in negative business growth, while a severe accident can completely break the business growth. Hi, I am Rajendra Utturkar, the author of the book Earn or Burn Your Profits. I am on a mission to help the chemical plant facility owners and their management teams for safe and efficient plant operations. The chemical manufacturing business journey is never a smooth ride and invariably has substantially ups and downs. I call these ups and downs a bumpy ride. McKinsey's July 22 research report indirectly reflects the same. The report indicates that most chemical manufacturing companies don't grow and only a few thrive. The report was based on the past 10 years of industry data between 2012 and 22. McKinsey discovered that only 15% of the world's top 151 chemical manufacturers grew above global average GDP growth rate while maintaining ROI more than weighted average cost of capital. The statistical data of McKinsey points out existence of severe problem in the industry. The severe problem is reflected in the form of bumpy ride. You can observe that a large number of companies struggle, a few survive, and a very small number grow. When I compare the chemical manufacturing business with others, the business related problems are more or less the same, except the chemical manufacturing business journey is a bumpy ride. My research to reach to the root causes responsible for bumpy ride points me at the two inherent nature of chemical manufacturing business. Number 1, plant inefficiency, and number 2, likely accidents. The inefficiencies can slow the business journey speed or sometimes may enter negative business growth, while a severe accident can completely break the business growth. Organizations at lower rung of business growth can feel a minor bump prominently and may adversely impact the business. An organization with niche knowledge and skills can comfortably grow from an initial struggle stage to next survival stage, and a little painfully from survival into stability. However, in most cases, it oscillates between survival and stability. A few organizations can expand and rarely establish themselves in the maturity stage, the last stage of business growth. When an organization starts dominating the world market during lower rungs of business growth, more specifically struggle and survival stages, spending money on safety systems to achieve accident-free operation may be perceived as a luxury. The chances of market forces pushing a business owners to a bumpy ride is quite high. It can cause a business setback and worsening the financial timeline. During such a difficult period, sustaining business becomes the top priority over all other issues, including the safety. Can you see yourself in such a position? Maybe in the future. A few such examples could be: you may not have sufficient funds to support safety system. That was what happened in the case of Bhopal gas tragedy 1984. You may miss some of the important safety requirements during safety studies, leading to a big business bump. Similar was the case with Formosa Fire and Explosion 2005. You may be completely ignorant about a few of the micro level technical aspects of the process, which could lead to disastrous situations like the one Saboteurs disaster in 1976. In a rare instance, Someone may try sabotaging your assets, as in the case of Waste Fertilizer Company explosion 2013. Would you like to access the root causes of the business bumps? Why do the bumps exist? How do you recognize business bumps in your journey? What are the factors that will enable you in overcoming the bumps? What are the areas you need to work on or strengthen so that your business ride is smooth? You are now just a few minutes away from the treasure. Order your copy of my book Earn or Burn Your Profit. Before that, please leave your comments below to share your thoughts and experiences about this video. Stay tuned and hit the subscribe button to avoid missing any of the video I make especially for you. Till then, here is Rajendra Utturkar signing off for now and see you in my next video.